Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by softening the hem adhesive so it releases cleanly. Apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol or adhesive remover with a cotton swab to the glue line. This breaks the bond. Once done, let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes to penetrate the adhesive. Do not rub yet. Meanwhile, use a thin plastic scraper to plan your angle. Make sure to protect the fabric beneath with a towel. This step is about weakening the glue without straining the fabric. Now you remove the softened adhesive gradually so fibers aren't damaged. Hold the fabric taut and scrape at a low angle, lifting small sections rather than forcing large strips. Once a portion lifts, dab the remaining residue with alcohol on a swab and blot. This removes tack without spreading. If residue resists, reapply solvent and wait. Patience prevents fabric distortion. Make sure to air dry briefly between cycles so the adhesive doesn't smear back onto clean areas. Finish by cleaning any solvent and restoring the hem. Launder per the care label to remove traces and inspect the area for weakened fibers. If small adhesive stains remain, treat them locally with a fabric-safe adhesive remover and repeat gentle scraping. If the fabric weakened or the hem separated, reinforce with a few hand stitches or a small strip of fusible tape. This restores structure without visible repair. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.